wish for if you had one chance? Airplane, airplane, sorry I'm late. I said don't close that gate. If I don't make it, I'ma change my flight. I'm on the back at the end of the night. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky and they're shooting stars? I could really use this wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Airplanes in the night sky and they're shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Somebody take me back to the days before this was a job, before I got paid for whatever mattered, what I had in my bank. That's when I was trying to get into that subway, back when I was rapping for the hell of it. Nowadays we're rapping to stay relevant. I'm guessing if we make some wishes out of airplanes, then we'll go back to the days before the politics we call the rap game, before people listen to the mixtape, back before I tried to cover up my slang. This is for the people of South Bobby Ray. Can I get a wish to end the politics? Get back to the music that started this. So here I stand, and then again I say, hoping we can make some wishes out of airplanes.